going to be a collaboration video. Now this video is going to be with a person that is pretty new to YouTube, and her channel is called Trini Flavors with Anna. I would like if you guys can go follow her on YouTube, show her some support and show her some love. She is new and she's upcoming, and I'd just like to give her a little push because we all need that sometimes. We all really need support, and we need a good foundation so that we can grow. So today we're going to be making our versions of green mango chutney. Now she's going to be doing her version, so when you're finished watching my recipe, please head over to her channel, check out her recipe, and please remember to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I hope you do. Make sure and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So now let me show you guys how I make my version of this popular mango condiment. To make this, you're going to need a green to a half ripe mango. I'm using half of a green apple, which is optional, some sliced garlic, 1 pimento, 1 hot pepper. The hot pepper is optional. I like leaving the seed and the ribs in there because I like it really spicy. Here I have some bandania or cilantro. If you can't find this, you can use cilantro, or a little bit of flat leaf Italian parsley can work also, and some salt to taste. Next, place all of your ingredients into your blender.